Greetings to all. Hey everyone. Do you trust all the news that you hear from social media or other online platforms? All news are not real, right? How will you detect fake news? The answer is very simple. We can come up with a solution by using Python. By practicing this advanced Python project of detecting fake news, you will easily make difference between the real and the fake news. Before moving ahead in this machine learning project, get aware of the terms related to it, such as fake news, TF-IDF vectorizers, passive-aggressive classifiers, etc. So, first of all, let me introduce you with what is fake news. It is a type of yellow journalism. Fake news encapsulates piece of news that may be hoaxes and is generally spread through social media and other online platforms. This is often done to further or impose certain ideas and is often achieved with political agendas. Such it, news items may contain false or exaggerated claims and may end up being viralized by algorithm and users may end up in a filter bubble. Now, let me introduce you with some of our used technologies such as TF-IDF vectorizers. This term is made up of two terms, TF and IDF. TF stands for term frequency. The number of times a word appears in a document is its term frequency. A higher term, a higher value means term appears more often than others, and so document is good match when the term is part of such terms. IDF, inverse document frequency. Words that may occur many times in the document, but also occur many times in many other. Maybe the TF-IDF vectorizers convert collection of raw documents into matrix of TF-IDF features. Now, I would like to invite my friend Ketul to further guide us in this project. Thank you all.
Greetings to everyone. My name is Ketul Chavan and my ID number is 21DC013. First I will introduce to what is passive aggressive classifier. Passive aggressive algorithm are online learning algorithms. Such an algorithm remains passive for a correct classification outcome and turns aggressive in the event of miscalculation. Unlike most other algorithms, it does not converge. Its purpose is to make updates that correct the loss, causing very little change in the norm of the weight factor. Detecting fake news. To build a model to accurately classify a piece of news as a real or fake. About detecting fake news. This advance of detecting fake news deals with the fake and real news. Then we initialize a passive aggressive classifier and feed the model. In the end, the accuracy score and the confusion matrix tell us how well our model the fails. The fake news dataset. The dataset we will use in this project, we will call it news.csv. The first column identifies the news. The second and the third are the title and text. And the fourth column has labels denoting whether the news is real or fake.
Greeting to all. My name is Devang Parmar and I will showcase our project. First, we import some important libraries like NumPy, Pandas, and Eta tools. After that, let's read the data into data frame and get the shape of the data and the first five records and get the label from the data frame. Split the dataset into training and testing set. Initialize a TF-ID vectorizer with top word from the English language and maximum document frequency of 0.7. Stop words are the most common words in a language that are to be filtered out before processing the natural language data. And a TF-IDF vectorizer turns a collection of raw documents into a matrix of TF-IDF features. Now fit and transform the vectorizer on the train set and transform the vectorizer on the test set. We initialize a passive-aggressive classifier. We will fit this on TF-IDF underscore train and Y train. Then we will predict on the test set from the TF-ID vectorizer and calculate the accuracy with accuracy score from sklearn.matrix. We got an accuracy of 92.82% with this model. Finally, let's print our confusion matrix to gain insight into the number of false and true, negative and positive. So with this model, we have 589 true positive and 587 true negative, 42 false positive and 49 false negative. I would like to request Aditya to summarize this project.
Thank you, Devang, for making me summarize this project. I would like to conclude our project with making you all a very much great power of detecting whether a news is fake or real with using advanced Python. We took our political dataset, implemented our TF-ID vectorizers, initialized a passive-aggressive classifiers, and fit a model. We end up obtaining an accuracy of 92.82% in magnitude. Thank you, everyone. With this, I expect all of you enjoyed our project very much.